Did you know the average return of the S&P 500 over the last 100 years has been over 9%, while savings accounts have just an interest rate of 0.06%? So in this video I'm going to tell you how I started investing and how you can do it. Welcome back guys. So today I'm going to tell you why I started investing, how I started investing, and I'm also going to show you my portfolio. So it was during the lockdown that I started to look for new ways to make money and also to have my savings not just in the bank account, losing purchasing power due to inflation. So of course savings accounts was not an option. That's when in June I started to learn about the stock market and how you can invest in it. And since then I haven't stopped. Since then, I have seen a lot of courses about investing in the stock market. I have listened to audiobook after audiobook. I have seen interviews. I have been reading the news every day, just trying to soak up all the information possible. Which, by the way, down in the description, I'm gonna leave the link to the video where I show you how to get free audiobooks. Alright, so now I'm going to show you my portfolio. As you can see on the screen, this is my portfolio. I use the broker Trading 212, which is only available in the UK. Right now I have a total $1,900 in my broker, but that doesn't mean I invested the $1,900. I have only invested $1,200 and I have the other $600 in free funds, which I will be using for the next weeks or months. That's something very important. It's not just to buy once, you have to do it consistently, okay? As you can see here on the 3-month chart, you can see how I was 600, 700, 800, and it continues to go up because I've been continuing to deposit and investing the money. So as you can see right now, I have over a 9% return, which is actually not bad considering I just started 3 months ago. I have over $112 in profits. I have made another $50 in a Tesla profit that I took, which you can see right here, but it's not reflected here. Just wanted to show you very quick, these are some of my investments. In the next videos, I'm going to explain to you why I decided to invest in these companies and in what to focus when you want to buy a company. So this is the allocation of my 13 investments. These are the main positions I have and the rest. So in this video, I just wanted to show you very quick my portfolio investments and how it's been growing for the past months. As you can see here on the screen, there are moments that I've been even up of 20% return and some moments that I have been back to being even negative in the last month. I wanted to show you this part very quick too. These are some of the returns that I have had. I have bought another companies that I didn't know why I buy, so I sold them. The companies I have right now are only for the long term, and as you can see, these are some of the dividends that I get paid for the companies. I know it's not a lot, but in the long term and when this is being compounded over time, it will be much better than savings accounts, okay? So let's go. Why I started investing. Number one, to outpace inflation. Right now the inflation is around 2 to 3%, at least in the United States. So if I am able to get anything above 7-8% or 9%, which is the average of the S&P 500, I'm happy with that. Number two, investing in the stock market has higher returns than other kinds of investments. Number three, something very important about the stock market is the compounding interest over time. Four, it's very easy to invest in the stock market. It depends on the broker, but sometimes, like I do when Trading 212, I don't have to pay any fees or commissions. And there is also no starting limit in some brokers. 5. Your money is very liquid in the stock market. If tomorrow you need some money or you want to just withdraw everything, you can do it, so it's very easy. 6. Dividends. Some companies are going to pay you dividends. This means they're going to pay you a part of the profit they made every 3 months. And the last one, personally for me, it's a lot of fun. I do this every day and I really enjoy it, and it's also something new. So every day I just keep learning and learning, and I think I will keep learning for all my life. So those are some of the reasons of why I started investing. Which are yours? You don't have to be an expert or a genius to invest in the stock market. You don't have to buy individual stocks. You can just buy an ETF or an index fund. What does this mean? This means that you're going to buy 100, 200 or 500 stocks all together in one, and you have a lot of diversifications the fees and the commissions are very low and you're exposed to the market. Remember guys, it depends of the risk that you're willing to take, the returns that you will get. That's it for today guys. So I just wanted to explain a little what I'm doing, what I have been doing for the last months. Also, if you know somebody that is investing, or if you are investing, let me know in what companies or which companies you want to invest in the future. Also, subscribe to the channel guys, leave a like and comment, that really helps me. Let me know if you're enjoying this kind of content, or if you have any suggestions or questions, just let me know. You can also share the video with your friends if they want to learn something new. See you in the next video guys. Bye.